I'll memorize almost everything anybody tells me about themselves. And it's incredible for building rapport. Would you like to know how that technique works?
Yes, please. I think a lot of people would be very interested.
Okay, absolutely. So the two cornerstones are association, ideally visual association, and having a place to put it in. So what's really nice is that everybody has a place for me to anchor their information because everybody has a body.
Hmm.
So initially I was storing things in this huge imagined memory palace, but then I started just anchoring the stuff to the people I looked at. The first thing that they tell me about themselves, I put on top of their head.
Ah,
The second thing they tell me, I hang on their ears like earrings. They tell me something else, I put it like a nose ring around their nose. So that way, whenever I see anybody, I can just glance over them and it's like I'm reading my file.
wow.
So then if somebody has, a partner, a husband, a wife, something like that, that might be on the top of their head because, that's the most important thing for many of them, right? If you're trying to be friendly with somebody, ask how their partner's doing. So if I'll put it right on top of their head. And then what I can do is sort of like click into that and open it up. So if I see your partner on top of your head, I can kind of zoom in on them. And then on them, I also have all my anchors. So I can go through.